Indicative is a customer analytics platform built to enable your team to ask and answer questions that are critical to understanding customer behavior, without writing any code or SQL. Indicative is your single source of truth connecting directly to where your data lives, whether that's a data warehouse, customer data platform, or directly with your website or application. Indicative's powerful analytics synthesizes this information into a complete view of your customer, giving you the actionable insights you need to optimize customer acquisition, engagement, and retention. We'll start at the dashboard, which is one of the first things you'll see when you log into Indicative. Dashboards are where your analyses live, and it's a great way to put different types of analysis together. One of the things we strive for at Indicative is ease of use, and within that comes customization. We try to make Indicative as customizable as possible, and that includes the dashboard. It's very easy to move things around, resize them, or rename them. Once your dashboard is exactly how you like it, you can quickly share using the public sharing link, or you can schedule a report to go out to your team at the start of every week. Indicative dashboards are the central place to easily store your analyses, quickly share them with a client, and reliably send reports to your team. All of Indicative's analysis fall into one of four categories: funnels, journeys, segmentation, and cohort analysis. These four tools provide a holistic understanding of who your users are, where they come from, and what they're doing. Indicative's unique multipath funnels are a simple SQL-free solution to understanding complex customer journeys. Indicative is the best solution for understanding your customer journey. With complex product design and personalized marketing, there is more than one way for your customer to navigate through your platform. Indicative's multipath funnels enable you to view an array of customer journeys in a single visualization and calculate important metrics like how long users take to convert, what % of users convert, and drop-off rates so you can identify points of friction in your funnel. Indicative's multipath funnel analysis will help you to acquire more customers who do more and stay longer. Now with the click of a button, you can easily visualize where your customers are spending their time, identify the most common paths of conversion, and turn questions into actionable insights in moments. Journeys allows you to answer the question, what do people do next? Simply enter the event or customer action you're interested in understanding, like login, sign up, or upgrade, for example. Optimizing customer engagement is just as important as understanding your user journey. I'm sure you know that means you must first understand who your customers are and how they're interacting with your product. Segmentation analysis provides information about what users are doing and when, enabling you to better find your customer base and find high engagement times. If you're not sure what all the properties are you have available, you can use the data dictionary to find names of events and properties, and you can use the Properties Explorer to get an idea of how different characteristics stack up. We can save this analysis as a bookmark to return to it later, or as a widget to the dashboard we were looking at before. The last tool I want to show you is Cohort Analysis, which is great for analyzing repeat behaviors. Use Cohort Analysis to view how a marketing campaign or new product feature turns users into repeat customers. Indicative's Cohort Analysis defines a relationship in your platform so you can optimize CTA performance, easily identify cyclic behaviors, and define time to monetization. While answering questions about your customer base, it's important to remember that every customer has a unique experience on your site. Because of this, understanding a single customer's journey is as important as finding the most common path among all users. Dig into a group of users to see them listed out and find patterns in user properties. Go even further by exploring an individual customer's full journey and session activity to discover core behaviors. You can dig into a group of users like this in any analysis tool. Indicative's People Insights is the key to identify small difference in user timelines and keeping customers on track to conversion. Heading back to the dashboard, let's take a look at everything we've learned about our customers. With funnels, we identified the best path to conversion. Journeys let us know where our users are going. Segmentation gave us our golden and not so golden segments. We used cohort analysis to identify how likely it is a customer will convert based on their activity. And we even took a deep dive into our customer's user timeline. Schedule a demo today by following the link in the description below or visiting www.indicative.com.